Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the backup file location and permissions so restore won't fail. In Ssms, connect to the target instance now. Right-click Databases and choose Restore Database. This opens the dialog where you pick the backup set. Make sure the SQL Server Service account can read the back file, otherwise the restore will error. Once done, select from Device and add the back file. These initial checks prevent common permission and path issues right away. Now, select the correct backup set and confirm the date and type because restoring the wrong set wastes time. Go to the Options tab. Decide whether to overwrite the existing database using with Replace or keep it and restore with a different name. For multi-file backups, update the Relocate All Files paths so MDF and LDF target real folders on the server. If this is a point-in-time restore, specify the recovery point and include transaction log steps. This step prevents file conflicts and ensures correct recovery. Execute the restore and watch the messages pane for success or error details. Once completed, run dbcc checkdb to verify database integrity. This confirms the data is readable and consistent. Next, reset users and permissions if the database moved between servers and test application connectivity. If something fails, check common causes, insufficient file permissions, an active connection locking files, or restoring from an incompatible SQL Server version. If you hit an error, review the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.